I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your school email on your phone. First, identify your school's email provider, whether it's Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. Next, gather your complete school email address and password. Then, download the appropriate official email application, such as Outlook or Gmail, from your phone's app store. This ensures a secure and streamlined setup process, typically taking less than 5 minutes to complete the initial steps. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the Add Account or Sign In option. Carefully type in your full school email address. If presented with choices, select Work or School Account to ensure proper configuration. You will then be guided to enter your password. Be prepared for any two-factor authentication steps, which might involve a code sent to your phone or another device, adding an extra layer of security. After successfully adding your account, you'll likely be asked to grant permissions for contacts, calendar, and notifications. Granting these allows for a fully integrated experience. Take a moment to review synchronization settings. You can choose how frequently new emails are fetched, perhaps every 15 minutes or manually. Customize your notification preferences to receive alerts that suit your workflow, ensuring you stay informed without constant interruptions. Finally, verify your email signature for professional correspondence. Should you face any difficulties, the first step is to meticulously recheck your email address and password for any small typos. If problems persist, your school's IT support website or help desk is an invaluable resource for specific server settings or unique configurations. Always keep your email application updated to its latest version to benefit from security patches and performance enhancements. Additionally, periodically check your phone storage to ensure ample space for your email data, preventing any unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.